In this video, we will discuss the 5 best personal blenders. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. The NutriBullet Ultra is significantly more expensive than many of the personal blenders we've included here, but it certainly does bring value. This model's wattage alone may be worth the spend, with a whopping 1,200 watt motor that's 10 times the power of some other blenders. Now, wattage isn't the end all of a good blender, but this NutriBullet Ultra also comes with a larger capacity of up to 32 Ahs. For bigger jobs and a more standard personal size 24 Ahs. Cup for smaller, portable smoothies. These cups are dishwasher safe, but we also found them easy to clean by hand. You can put the extractor blade in the dishwasher as well, and while it may collect some water when inverted, it does mean you won't have to hand clean those incredibly sharp edges. In testing, we loved the silky smooth textures this blender produced. In fact, we had to watch out if you do want chunks in something like a salsa. This machine will puree them in a flash. Number 2. COKUNST Portable Blender. The COKUNST Portable Blender is a versatile and powerful device that caters to the needs of those always on the go. With its 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery and removable base, this blender is perfect for short trips and daily outings alike. The 18 ounces capacity ensures you can prepare generous portions of your favorite smoothies or shakes, while the convenient self-cleaning feature makes maintenance a breeze. At the heart of this portable powerhouse is a robust 22,000 RPM motor coupled with 6 ultra-sharp 304 stainless steel blades. This combination effortlessly pulverizes ingredients, creating smooth and delicious drinks in just 30 seconds. The blender's innovative magnetic induction technology adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring the blades only operate when the bottle and base are securely fastened. Number 3. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. You can't remove the cup to take your smoothie on the go. The whole blender and base are designed to travel with you. Most of the time, when blenders tout portability, it means you pour the contents of your smoothie into a cup and then carry it with you. However, this newer style of personal blender lets you take the entire appliance with you. While there are quite a few of these in the marketplace nowadays, this Ninja Blast Portable Blender is our favorite. The simple 2-button control panel is easy to use, and the start-stop button blends automatically for 30 seconds at a time. Everything fits together easily without being too tight or too loose and leaking, and it's not much larger than a water bottle. We think its diminutive size makes it great for travel as well. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. This one may take longer to incorporate ingredients, and it has a tight-fitting lid that may not work for those with limited grip strength. For less than the cost of a ticket to the movies in many areas, you can add the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender to your kitchen collection for fast and easy smoothies to fuel your busy life. This model is corded, which limits portability, but the BPA-free blending jar doubles as a travel cup and comes with a drinking lid. The cup fits easily into the base, and while it did take a bit more time to incorporate our ingredients, the result was a smooth and tasty smoothie. We did find that the lid on this blender screws on quite tight, so keep an eye out for that if your ability to grip and twist is more limited, making it a great idea for households with multiple people, folks with varied morning routines, or even dorm dwellers. The one-touch blending design keeps things simple, and when you're finished, you can throw the cup and lids in the dishwasher, letting you skip hand-washing the sharp blades. Number 5. Ninja Nutri-Blender. The Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus Compact Personal Blender may seem too basic to be our winner, but once you start using it, you can understand why we've selected it. The 900-watt motor outpaces most competitors and provides some of the best textures we've seen in our testing. Operating this blender is easy. You assemble your ingredients in the cup, screw the blender blade attachment on top, and then press the cup into the base to get things moving. When it comes to cleaning, nearly every part of the machine that you'd need to wash is dishwasher safe and came clean easily for us during testing, with no stuck-on residue or visible wear and tear from multiple runs through the dishwasher. While the blender itself isn't portable, the 20-ounce cups certainly are, adding an element of ease to anyone's busy lifestyle. Some of the included lids are also travel-ready, with spouts for drinking or pouring and leak-proof closures. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.